Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with the Chicago Business Today Midday Report. A bit of stalling for the downtown office market these days as the vacancy rate for workspace in the city went up slightly in the fourth quarter, its first rise since 2010. The slight uptick to 14.9% comes after it had been sitting flat at 14.8% in the previous two quarters, according to CB Richard Ellis. The last increase came when the market hit its post-crash peak of 17.3%. Joining me now with more is Crain's real estate reporter, Ryan Ori. Ryan, what has contributed to this stall, and is it a cause for concern here?
Well, it's a little bit of a cause for concern because there's been kind of slow, gradual progress over the last several quarters, or leading up to it flattening out about midway through this year. One of the contributing factors has been the city's seen a lot of new leases, some technology and other related companies, smaller to mid-sized leases, but they've also had a lot of the largest users of space looking to cut back some of their space and use what they have more efficiently, and a lot of that's sort of evened out.
We saw a trend last year of some companies in the suburbs moving to the city, moving their headquarters down. We're going to see Sara Lee moving the meat spinoff, Hillshire Brands. Obviously, Google moving into the merchandise mart with Motorola Mobility. Is that something that you're expecting is going to continue this year, and what effect might that have on the downtown office vacancy rate?
I think there will be more moves from the suburbs to the city. It obviously will have an impact on using up some of the space that's available, but it's kind of yet to be seen how large the impact will be and how many more there will be that moving.
Right, and then obviously you wrote about the trend, a bit of a change in the trend of what maybe some people are looking for in offices in the downtown area. What is that? How has that changed, and how does that contribute to this?
Well, just mentioning a minute ago, the technology type companies, a lot of companies with sort of younger workforces are putting a lot more employees per square foot, a lot less divided walls and separated offices in more kind of wide open areas, which uses less space. And so some of these new leases that have been good for the market aren't necessarily as large as some traditional leases like law firms would use.
Everyone's looking for that environment that fosters teamwork, I guess, right?
Yeah, and that's big. They say, open spaces and collaboration in sort of common areas, which a lot of tenants are looking to use now, but again, that uses less space than the traditional corner offices did.
Yeah, sure thing. All right, Ryan, thanks a lot.